Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every DIY enthusiast and professional alike should consider adding to their toolkit. We discovered the CRAFTSMAN 100 2-piece toolkit, and you can find the link in the description below to check for the latest price and availability. This comprehensive toolkit is designed to meet a wide variety of needs, whether you're working on home improvement projects, vehicle maintenance, or just tackling everyday repairs. With a total of 102 pieces, this set includes a mix of hand tools and mechanics tools, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this toolkit. First and foremost, the low-profile ratchet is a game-changer. It boasts a head that is up to 25% thinner compared to previous models, which allows you to access tight spaces that other tools simply can't reach. This is especially beneficial when you're working on confined areas in your car or around the house. Next, we have the 90-tooth ratchet. This feature is designed to deliver a 5-degree arc swing, which means you can make precise adjustments without needing a lot of room to maneuver. This is particularly useful for those who tackle intricate repairs or need to work in cramped spaces. The CRAFTSMAN 100 2-piece toolkit also offers a comprehensive selection of 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive mechanics tools, as well as a variety of mixed hand tools. This variety ensures that you have the right tool for the job, whether you're tightening bolts, loosening screws, or cutting through materials. In terms of storage and mobility, the kit comes in a durable blow mold case. This case not only keeps your tools organized but also protects them from damage, making it easy to transport them from one job site to another. Whether you're heading to a friend's house to help with a project or just storing them in your garage, this case is incredibly handy. One of the most reassuring aspects of purchasing the CRAFTSMAN 100 2-piece toolkit is the warranty. You'll receive a full lifetime warranty on mechanics tools and a limited lifetime warranty on hand tools. This speaks volumes about the quality and durability of the products you're investing in. So, who is this toolkit suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners looking to tackle DIY projects, car enthusiasts needing reliable tools for maintenance, and even professionals who require a solid set of tools for everyday tasks. Whether you're a beginner just starting your tool collection or a seasoned pro wanting to expand your arsenal, this kit has got you covered. Now let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're assembling a new piece of furniture. The screwdrivers and wrenches in this kit will help you get the job done efficiently. Or perhaps your car needs some basic maintenance. With the socket set included, you can handle oil changes or brake replacements with confidence. Even if a simple task like hanging a picture frame arises, the included tape measure will ensure everything is perfectly aligned. In summary, the CRAFTSMAN 100 2-piece toolkit is a versatile, durable, and comprehensive set that is suitable for anyone from a weekend warrior to a professional tradesperson. Its thoughtful design features, including the low-profile ratchet and sturdy storage case, make it a standout choice in the world of hand tools. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.